Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change location on Craigslist. Keep watching the video till the end. To change location on Craigslist, firstly open your Google search. Type in Craigslist and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in. It will take you to the home page of Craigslist account. On the right side of the screen, you're going to see the list of location options. Choose any of the location that you want to change. This is how you can change location on Craigslist quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.